He went all the way up to the corner by Clough.
By Clough?
Well,
Beef Clough.
Straight, Levine Clough.
Oh.
Went down the driveway to the corner, went through the dip, and all the way up to the next corner.
I'm just going to go that way.
Well, just go down to Scott's and turn around.
Sure, Shane. Back off. Oh, crap. Okay. You can grab the tree.
You're so high. That is ridiculous.
No, it's not.
Wait till the next parade. You're going to be freaking dead.
Can you turn around and come back? I'll videotape it and send it up north. Careful. Okay.
Getting the hang of it already?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're way up there. Can you stop and go back and forth? Nice. That's as good as this